Hello dear students, welcome to the Royal Palace PU College online classes. So here I am going to start a new chapter, organic chapter number 12. So that is aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So we know that the aldehyde and ketones and carboxylic acids, so these are the carbonyl compounds. So carbonyl compounds, so the carbonyl compounds are the compounds so containing what here, carbon oxygen double bonds. Okay, so here the organic compounds containing carbonyl functional group, so they are called what here, carbonyl compounds. So carbonyl functional group means what here, C double bond O, the carbon which is bonded to the oxygen atom through a double bond. So that is called what here, carbonyl functional group. So the compound containing carbonyl functional group, they are called what here, carbonyl compounds. Okay, so now here the class of organic compounds which containing carbonyl functional group. So what are the classes of organic compounds which containing a carbonyl functional group means, so aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, esters, and then acid anhydride and acid halides, amides. So these are the class of the organic compound which containing the carbonyl functional group. Okay, so now here, so aldehyde, the general formula, the aldehyde general formula, that is RC double bond OH. So that means what here, so aldehydes are the carbonyl compound where the valency of the carbon, at least one valency of the carbon satisfied by the hydrogen atom. So here I will write the aldehyde functional group, I mean general formula here, RCOH. Now this is an carbonyl functional group, C double bond O, it is an carbonyl functional group. So where the at least one valency that should be satisfied by the hydrogen atom. So at least one valency of this carbonyl which is satisfied by hydrogen atom. So such a type of class of organic compounds are called what here, aldehydes. Okay, so now here ketones. So ketones, we have the general formula RC double bond OR. So look at here, the valency of this carbon. So these two valencies are satisfied by the only what here, alkyl or aryl group. So that indicates what here, carbonyl carbon which is bonded to the what here, two carbon atoms. So both the sides we have what here, carbon atoms only. So such a type of functional group, I mean such a type of class of organic compounds are called what here, ketones. So aldehyde means the carbonyl carbon that must be attached to the at least one hydrogen atoms. Okay, so ketone means, so carbonyl carbon which is bonded to the what here, two carbon atoms on both the sides. So they are called what here, ketones. So next one, carboxylic acid. The name only indicates what here, the name which is derived from the combination of two words. So one is carbonyl, another one is what here, hydroxyl. So here this is a general formula for the carboxylic acid, RCOH. So look at here, the carboxylic which consisting what here, carboxylic acid which group consisting what here, carbonyl functional group, and another one is what here, hydroxyl group. By combining these two names, so they are going to derive the name, so that is carboxylic acid. Okay, so that means what here, the class of the organic compound which consisting a carbonyl functional group and hydroxyl group, hence the name, the derived that combining two words, that is hydroxyl and another one is carbonyl. Hence the name of this class of organic compounds is what here, carboxylic acid, RCOOH. So now here we have another one class of organic compounds, so that is esters. So here hydrogen atom of the carboxylic acid which is replaced by the alkyl or aryl group. Such a type of class of organic compounds are called what here, that is esters. Now here already we know that the general formula for the carboxylic acid, that is RCOH, that consisting two functional group, that is carbonyl and then hydroxyl group. Now here what happened, the hydrogen atom of the acid group, so already we know that RCOH, it is an acid, carboxylic acid. So here what happened, the hydrogen atom of this carboxylic acid replaced by the R group. It may be alkyl group or aryl group. So such type of class of organic compounds are called what here, that is anhydride, esters. Okay, so hydrogen atom of the carboxylic acid is replaced by the R group, alkyl or aryl group, they are called what here, esters. So now here we have another one class of organic compound which containing carbonyl functional group. So that is acid anhydride. So this is a general formula for the acid anhydride, RCOO, that is R. So I will R C double bond O C double bond O R. So this is a general formula for the acid anhydride, RCOO C double bond O, I mean R. So this is an acid anhydride functional group. Okay. So now we have acyl halide. So acyl halide, this is a class of organic compound containing carbonyl functional group. So here the acyl halides are the compounds where one hydrogen atom of the aldehyde group replaced by the halogen atom. So already we know the general formula for the aldehyde, that is RCOH, correct. Now here acid halides are the organic compounds where the hydrogen atom of this aldehyde replaced by the halogen atoms. So this is a general formula for the acyl halide or acid halide, RCOX. Now the hydrogen atom of the aldehyde compounds that is replaced by the halogen atom, so they are called acyl halide or acid halide. Now we have one more class of the organic compounds containing carbonyl group is amides. Amides are the organic compound where the carbonyl group attached to the nitrogen atom. See here, I will write the general formula, that is amides, RC double bond ONH2. Now the carbonyl carbon attached to the nitrogen atom, such type of organic compounds, such class of organic compounds are called what here, amides. Amides, understood? Aldehydes are the organic compound where the one of the valency of the carbonyl carbon satisfied by the hydrogen atom, at least one of the valency of carbonyl carbon that is satisfied by the hydrogen atom, so they are called the aldehydes. Ketones means carbonyl carbon attached to both the sides by carbon atoms only, both the sides, carbonyl carbon attached both the sides to the carbon atoms only, so they are called what here, ketones. Now carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, they consisting carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. The general formula of the carboxylic acid is RCOOH. So we have another one class of organic compound containing carbonyl is esters. So where the hydrogen atom of the that is carboxylic acid, hydrogen atom of the carboxylic acid replaced by the alkyl or aryl group. So then the general formula becomes RCOOR. So this is the general formula for the ester. Simply the hydrogen atom of the carboxylic acid replaced by the R group. R may be alkyl or aryl group. Now after that we have acid anhydride. The formula is RC double bond O, that is C double bond O R. Okay, so this is the general formula of the acid anhydride. Acyl halides are the organic compound where the hydrogen atom of the aldehyde replaced by the halogen atom, they are called what here, acyl halide or acid halide. So next one, the amides. So amides are the organic compounds where the carbonyl carbon attached to the nitrogen atoms. So they are called what here? Amides. Hence the general formula for the amide is what here? RC double bond O NH2. So this is a general formula for the amides. Okay. So this is about what here? An introduction about the carbonyl compounds. See here, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. So these three class of organic compounds, these are the carbonyl compounds containing carbonyl functional group, that is C double bond O. Okay. Now here, so let us, we will move for the first aldehyde and ketones. So later on we will study about the carboxylic acid. So here aldehyde and ketone. So already we know that what are aldehydes? Aldehydes are the carbonyl compounds where the one of the valency of this carbonyl carbon satisfied by the hydrogen atom. At least one valency of this carbonyl carbon satisfied by the hydrogen atoms. So they are called what here? Aldehydes. Okay. Aldehydes are the carbonyl compound at least one valency that is satisfied by the hydrogen atom, because already we know the general formula, that is RC double bond OH. So this is a carbonyl functional group where one of the valency that is satisfied by the hydrogen atom. Such a class of organic compounds are called what here? Aldehydes. So now what are the ketones? Ketones are the carbonyl compounds. So already we know the general formula. So that is ketone RC double bond O R. So look at here, the carbonyl carbon on both the sides, they are attached to the carbon atoms only. Such a class of organic compounds are called what here? Ketones. Okay. So ketones are the carbonyl compounds. Here the carbonyl carbon attached to both the sides only by the carbon atoms. They are called what here? Ketones. Now let us, we will move for the nomenclature. So nomenclature. So in which what happened? There are two types nomenclature. So one is common name, another one is IUPAC system, International Union Pure Applied Chemist. So now common names. So here they are given for aldehydes. For aldehydes, named of the, aldehydes are named by the replacing of ic acid. So IC acid of the carboxylic acid. So let us, after this example you will come to know that what is the rules, what are the conditions for the naming of aldehydes by common name. For aldehydes named by, aldehydes are named by replacing ic acid, IC acid of carboxylic acid with aldehydes. So let us, I will take one example, then only you will come to know that one. So HC double bond OH. So this is an formic acid. Formic acid. Because we have here carboxylic acid functional group, C double bond O, OH or COH. So this is an carboxylic functional group. Hence the name given as what here? Formic acid. For aldehyde you have to replace this IC acid. IC by, so this letter IC acid by aldehydes. So aldehyde we know the formula, that is CHO. So they are given HCHO. The name of this compound is what here? Formaldehyde. Here IC acid is replaced by the aldehyde. Hence the name is what here? Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. So similarly we have another one example. So here acetic acid they are given, CH3COH. So after writing this CH3CHO, this is an aldehyde group. The name, so this is acid, ic acid replaced by the aldehyde. So name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Only the thing is what here? IC acid, that is ic acid from carboxylic acid replaced by the term aldehyde. Okay. See here acetic acid they are given, here IC acid replaced by aldehyde. So hence the name is what here? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So this is for the aldehyde. So for ketone, the naming of alkyl or aryl group according to the alphabetical order and followed by the suffix, that is ketone. Followed by the suffix ketone. Okay. So for the naming of ketone, first you have to name the alkyl or aryl group according to the alphabetical order. So after that you have to use the suffix, that is ketone. Okay, so let us, I will take some examples. So for the ketones, the first one is dimethyl ketone. So dimethyl ketone. So I will write here dimethyl ketone. Here the two similar alkyl groups are there, methyl groups. Hence I am going to use the word that is di. The name of this compound is what here? Dimethyl ketone. So this is a ketone functional because the carbonyl carbon which is attached to what here, both the sides carbon atoms only. Okay. So one example is what here, dimethyl ketone. Okay, let us, I will take one more example, ethyl methyl ketone, CH3 CH3. See here, the carbonyl carbon which is attached to one side methyl group, another one side what here we have ethyl group. The name of this ketone according to alphabetical order you have to do that. The first, we have two functional group, I mean two alkyl group, one is ethyl, another one is what here, methyl. So according to alphabetical order, the first letter E. So hence the name of this compound is what here, ethyl methyl ketone, ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, so these are the example for the ketones. Okay, these are the example for the ketones. Okay. Okay, so next one concept, IUPAC system of the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. So in case of aldehydes, in IUPAC system, according to IUPAC system, for the naming of aldehyde, the ending E letter from the alkane. So alkane, we know the ending E letter of the alkane, this one, which is replaced by the word that is term Al. Hence, the name of the aldehyde so can be done by using this formula alkanal, because the E letter of the alkane replaced by the Al word. So this is for the naming of aldehyde. So for example here, so I will take one example, HC double bond OH. So this is a formaldehyde, general common name. For naming IUPAC system, here the compound containing only one carbon atom, hence the word root that is meth. Then what here, alkane name methane, here the E letter is replaced by the Al because of presence of aldehyde. Hence the name of the compound is what here, methanol. The ending methane, the A letter is replaced, E letter which is replaced by the Al, hence the name of the compound is what here, methanol. So for naming of aldehyde, the ending E letter of the alkane replaced by the Al. So whereas in ketone, the ending E letter of the alkane, this one, replaced by the word that is on. Hence the name of the alkane. In case of what here, naming of the ketone, the name is what here, alkanone, because the E letter of the alkane replaced by the one letter, hence alkanone, named as alkanone. Ketones named as alkanone. Aldehyde named as alkanals. Okay, so here we have some of the important naming of the aldehydes and ketones. So this is already we know that the common name is what here, formaldehyde, and IUPAC name, this is presence of only one carbon atoms, hence the name of this compound is what here, methanol. So already we have discussed about this one. So again here, this is an aldehyde, and here presence of two carbon atoms, IUPAC name is what here, ethanol. Okay, general name is, common name is acetaldehyde. And again here, three carbon atoms are there, common name is propanaldehyde. IUPAC name is propanol, propane, E letter of propane is replaced by the Al, hence the name is what here, propanol. And this is benzaldehyde, common name also benzaldehyde, and IUPAC also what here, benzaldehyde. Okay, so next one, acetone, and here three carbon atoms are there, so the name of the compound is what here, propanone. Because of presence of ketone, the suffix one is used and number of carbon atoms are 3, hence the IUPAC name is what here, propanone. So in next class we will study the method of the preparation of aldehydes and ketone. So now I will stop here. Thank you.